You're about to see why the way you capture ideas, conversation, and information is about to completely change because wearable AI is finally getting practical. And the PLAUD NotePin S is one of the first devices that actually makes sense in the real world. Not just as a gimmick, but as something you could realistically use every single day without the friction. So let's break down exactly what it is and how it works and what it does well, where it falls short, and whether it's actually worth your money or just another overhyped gadget trying to ride the AI wave. The PLAUD NotePin S is essentially a tiny wearable AI voice recorder designed to capture conversations, meetings, and thoughts and ideas. Then it automatically transcribes and summarizes them using AI. And the key difference here compared to your phone or a standard recorder is that this is designed to disappear into your daily life. It's small, it's lightweight and it's wearable, meaning you can clip it, pin it, or carry it without thinking about it. And that changes everything because the biggest problem with capturing ideas isn't the technology, it's the friction. Pulling out your phone, unlocking it, opening an app, hitting record. That small delay is enough to lose thought or miss key moments. And the NotePin S tries to eliminate that entirely design-wise. This thing is minimal, and it's purpose-built. It's not flashy, it's not trying to be a smartwatch or a multi-function device. It does one thing, and it focuses on doing it well. It recording audio quickly and reliably. And that simplicity is actually one of the biggest strengths because it means fewer distractions and faster access. You press a button and it starts recording instantly. There's no menus, no setup, no wasted time. And for people who capture ideas on the go, that matters more than any advanced feature list. Now, the real power comes after the recording because this is where AI steps in. Once your audio is captured, it gets processed into text, and not just raw transcription, but structured summaries, key points, and highlights. So instead of listening back to a 30-minute conversation, you can scan a clean summary in seconds, and this is where it becomes a productive tool instead of just a recorder. It turns unstructured audio into something usable, searchable, and actionable, which is huge. And if you're someone who deals with meetings, brainstorming sessions, interviews, or even content creation, accuracy is always the big question with AI transcription. And the NotePin S performs surprisingly well in clear environments. It handles standard conversations with good precision, but like any audio-based AI system, it struggles in noisy settings, overlapping voices, or heavy accents. So it's not perfect yet, but it's good enough to be useful most of the time. And that's really the threshold these devices need to cross. Not perfection, not just reliability. And battery life is another key factor, and the NotePin S is designed for daily use. Not just short bursts, it can handle extended recording sessions without constantly needing a recharge, which is critical because a wearable device that dies halfway through your day is basically useless. And while it's not going to last forever, it's clearly built with real-world usage in mind, not just lab testing scenarios. Storage and syncing are also handled in a way that fits the modern workflow. Recordings are transferred to your phone or cloud where the AI processing happens, and this means you're not limited by the device itself. You're leveraging more powerful systems to handle transcription and summaries. And that's important because it keeps the hardware simple while still delivering advanced functionality. But it also means you're somewhat dependent on the app ecosystem and connectivity, which can be a downside if you prefer everything to stay local. And one of the biggest advantages of the NotePin S is how it changes the behavior. Because when something is easy to use, you actually use it. And that's where most productivity tools fail. They look good on paper, but they never become part of your routine. And this device lowers the barrier so much that capturing ideas becomes automatic, and over time, that compounds to a massive advantage. You stop losing thoughts and you capture more insights, and you build a searchable archive of your thinking and conversations. For content creators, this is especially powerful because ideas don't come when you're sitting at dark desk or ready to record. They come randomly. And having something you can instantly activate means you can capture those moments without breaking the flow and later turn them into scripts, videos, or posts. And that alone can justify the device for the right person. But it's not just creators. Professionals in meetings, students in lectures, journalists doing interviews, anyone who deals with spoken information can benefit from this because the combination of recording plus the AI summarization removes one of the biggest bottlenecks, turning audio into usable notes. And while you can technically do this with your phone, the reality is most people don't because it's just inconvenient enough to avoid. Now let's talk about limitation because no device like this is perfect and pretending it is would be misleading. Privacy is the first concern. Anytime you're recording conversations, especially in public or professional settings, you need to be aware of legal and ethical considerations. And the device itself doesn't solve that. It's on the user to use it responsibly, and that's something a lot of people overlook. And when they get excited about the convenience, another limitation is that AI summaries are only as good as the input. If your recording is messy, the output will be too. And while the system does a solid job organizing information, it's not a replacement for critical thinking. You still need to review and interpret what's captured, otherwise you risk missing nuance or context. There's also the question of value, because while the NotePin S is helpful and useful, it's not essential for everyone. If you already have a solid system for capturing notes and you actually use it consistently, this might not change your life. But if you struggle with consistency and if you lose ideas, forget the details, or avoid talking notes because it's annoying, that's where this device becomes much more compelling compared to other AI wearables and recording solutions. The NotePin S stands out for its simplicity and focus. It's not trying to do 10 things, it's trying to do one thing extremely well. And that makes it more practical than a lot of experimental AI gadgets that feel like prototypes instead of tools. And that's really the key difference here. This feels like something you could actually rely on, not just test for a week and forget about. The user experience is also surprisingly clean. From recording to reviewing, transcripts and summaries, everything is streamlined. And that matters because even powerful features become useless if they're buried in a confusing interface. And while there's always room for improvement, especially in customization and deeper integration, the foundation here, though, is very strong. One thing that stands out is how quickly this fits into your workflow. There's almost no learning curve. You press record, you get your content, and the AI handles the rest. And that immediately is what makes it feel like a natural extension of your memory rather than a separate tool you have to think about. And over time, that creates a kind of external brain where your conversations and ideas are stored, they're searchable and summarized. And that's where the real long-term value comes from. Not just in individual recordings, but in the accumulation of information you can revisit and build on. And if you're someone focused on productivity, efficiency, or content creation, that's a serious advantage. But it's also important to stay realistic. This won't magically make you organized or productive. It's a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how you use it. But what it does do is remove the friction. And in most cases, that's the biggest obstacle. So is the PLAUD NotePin S worth it? Honest answer is it depends on your habits and needs. If you rarely record anything or prefer typing notes, you might not get much out of it. But if you constantly deal with spoken information, if you value capture ideas instantly, and if you want AI to help organize the information, then this is one of the most practical and well-executed devices in this space right now. It's not perfect, it's not revolutionary in every aspect, but it hits a sweet spot between simplicity, functionality, and real-world usability. And that's what makes it stand out in a crowded market of AI gadgets that promise a lot, but deliver very little. This is one that actually solves a real problem in a way that fits into everyday life, and that alone makes it worth it. Paying attention to because wearable AI is still in its early stages, but devices like this, they show where things are heading. There's less friction, more automation, and tools that quietly enhance what you already do instead of forcing you to change everything. And if that trend continues, this category is only going to get more powerful from here. Thanks for watching, and also, this is not a sponsored video, this is just my opinion, and I'm just shooting from the hip about it, and I hope you can check out the NotePin S. It kind of seems like a very interesting object. Also, or electronic, obviously, not an object. Anyways, if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. I'm looking to grow this channel, and without your subscription, I can't do that. So, if you found value, please subscribe. Also, check out this video to the right. It can also help you on your journey, too. Take care, you guys have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow.